Hi everyone, Peter from Joel Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this little flying thing using straw and card. Then you also need some scissors and tape. So we're going to start off by just making some long strips of card. So just fold over your piece of paper just to create a line, and then you can cut along it. So next you're going to make a big loop out of one of them, like so. And then you just need to get a bit of your tape and tape that together, like so. And now you're going to get your paper straw and you're going to tape that on the inside. What you need to do as best you can, I'll show you on the outside, make it so it's perpendicular, so it's not at an angle or anything. So it's got to be perpendicular to the card. And then you just stick that on the inside. And then you do the same again, but on the opposite side of the loop. There we go, they're both taped down. Next you want to get your other piece of card, and then we're going to tape it to the inside but not make a loop first, and I'll show you why in a sec. So make sure it's perpendicular again. And then we're going to loop this round. It comes back round. But we're going to make this one a bit smaller. So you just need to keep moving it around until it's a bit smaller, but not too small. So that'll be around the right size. Some more tape. You'll need 2 bits of tape on this because it sticks out a bit. Down the last bit. You can take that out and make it fly.